job, Antonio. Good job. Make sure you're watching your mirrors. We're gonna make a left up here, okay?